been a great day at CarCapsule. This is your first trip to our headquarters in Indiana. It's a little cold out today, but I think we had a good time.
We had a great time. You know, we worked with the Pro Station spray booth, and that was very cool. Got to do some painting, and then to see a showcase with a blue Corvette in it and hear that engine roar, that was pretty cool too.
You know, I want to get a Z06. When that thing fired up, that put a smile on my face for sure.
Well, you know, when you got a car like this and you're able to protect it and see it at the same time, that's the key to the whole thing. Now, we're sitting in a warehouse, and as we know, I don't care if this could be the cleanest warehouse, and it is pretty clean, by the way, but it could be the cleanest warehouse in the world, and cars are still going to get dusty.
Yeah, you know, everyone, if we're at an event or they call in and they say, well, I got a climate-controlled, garage. They go, I live in a climate-controlled house, and we still got to dust it.
That's right.
And we're fortunate to have this big facility, and, you know, we store some cars here, some really nice stuff and boats, but they're dusty.
Yeah, they get dusty.
And the folks and myself, I'm blessed. I keep my cars in these, and, you know, no matter what's going on in the warehouse, you know, there's dock doors opening, shipments coming in and out, you know, there's the forklifts throwing dust up, and I can leave the tops down on them, and I go in there in a white interior or whatever, and they're spotless. So there's no dust, no dirt, and most importantly, no condensation, because we know what condensation creates.
It ruins a car. I mean, you know, you park it in your garage, put a car cover on, it's the worst thing in the world. You know, that moisture coming up from the floor traps under that car cover, it creates mold and mildew in your car, rusts the whole bottom of the car.
Some people just don't understand that. I mean, you're actually creating a problem. You know, You're not letting it breathe.
Right.
And then the other thing is rodents. You know, I've owned this place for many years, and we pay for monthly rodent control because we know we got rodents out here. And they never bother our showcases or car capsules.
No.
And it's because of the frequency and the vibration of that fan. And many people have wrote in reviews, you know, they've used it in farm buildings and outbuildings. You've got rural buildings, and, you know, you never have a problem.
Yeah.
And it's a phenomenal way to protect your pride and joy. And it doesn't matter if it's your $20,000 pride and joy or your $1 million pride and joy. If a mouse gets in it, it's tens of thousands of potential dollars.
Right.
And maybe parts you can't even get, an old wire harness or something creates a huge problem, where this solves it.
Well, you know, we get cars in all the time, vintage vehicles, Mercedes, for instance, and they fold the top down, and the guy says, it's a brand new top. It's wait till you put it up, and all of a sudden we put it up and there's holes in it. You know, huge holes where mice have made holes in it. So the showcase does a wonderful job in protecting your car, whether it's summer, winter, whatever it is. You can put the flap up, you can drive your car in and out of it at any time, and then zip it up for the winter and protect it.
We've been at it for 25 plus years. If you want to preserve, protect, and present your cars in showroom condition, check us out at CarCapsule.com.